less than 40 minutes meal prep. So what we're going to use is some chicken thighs because that's what I have. You can do this with breast meat that has a little less fat in it. We have some pork loin, mixing the pork with the chicken. We're going to make it super simple and just do a tablespoon of seasoning every time. So some garlic salt, some Cajun two-step, half tablespoon cumin, garlic powder, the leftover parsley I have, and salt, pepper. About a tablespoon of olive oil. We can get our hands dirty. Let's get this in a hot skillet. Take your meat. Let's cook it up. Looking good, about halfway through. Look at this beautiful meat. We're all done here. Knock the heat off. Let that cool up. We're going to make some low-fat cottage cheese, plain Greek yogurt, some jalapeños, an avocado, some lime juice. I'm going to blend this cottage cheese up and a little bit of chicken stock or chicken broth to give you added protein. All right, we blended the cottage cheese so it's super fine. We're going to put the avocado in it. Throw it in there, and we'll blend that. I blend the cottage cheese separately so I can get all the curds down to a creamy paste. So avocado, put some lime in there, and we're ready to blend. You're left with something like this, avocados and the cottage cheese. Now we're going to put a little bit of plain Greek yogurt in it, about 2 tablespoons, probably about 1 tablespoon of bone broth. We'll blend this back up. It's going to look like this. Let's give it a taste. Oh, creamy jalapeños. You would never know there's cottage cheese in here. I work nights, so this is how I'm going to prep the sauce. Make sure it's nice and small, just like they do before they put it in your rice bowl. Put a little meat, maybe a little feta or shredded Colby. You definitely don't want to stop by QT or 7-Eleven at 2 o'clock in the morning when you have these in the car. A burrito to a hot pan. Okay, these should be done. Oh yeah. 1. Perfect meal prep. Let's take the broken one. Dip that in. Look at that. Creamy, warm. Tastes like a Chipotle burrito, but way more healthy for you. And packed with protein.